Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today in this slide, my friend and I are going to present a topic in construction management, which is contract administration. So first of all, we are in group 18, and my name is Muhammad Habib bin Azlan, and I am pairing with Suhail Azmin bin Sa'ad. Okay, let's go. Okay, what is contract administration? Contract administration involves monitoring suppliers, contractors, and service providers' performance in fulfillment of contractual obligation. Also, responsible for developing, interpreting, reviewing, negotiate, and manage contract on behalf of an organization. This position involves with a variety of duties, so that require an organized individual who is able to do multitask effectively. Okay. In everything we do, we should starting off right. Okay. So that the task will going smoothly as we planned before. Okay. So same with the construction. First, we need to have the pre-construction conference. After that, the contract administration function and setting the term. Okay, let's go with the first one, the pre-construction conference. The purpose is to establish the rules for construction, also provide an opportunity to introduce the parties and create primary relationship between them. So, who's joined the meeting? First of all, it is important to owner representative, architect, primary engineer, and contractors, project manager, and supervisor to be present at first. After that, major subcontractor, vendor, public utility personnel, fire marshal, highway department could be joined this meeting for them to collect and gather the information, also the guideline of the construction. The agenda covers all items listed in general condition and supplemental condition of the contract in greater detail. Also cover the fundamental administrative and coordination issues associated with the construction project. Okay, the discussion item in this meeting is first, introduction and accountabilities. Okay, after that, payment issue, which is schedule of value and application of payment. So to let you know, the schedule of value is a sheet on which the items are listed along with the unit, price, and quantity. It provides the general overview of project status. Okay, after that, change order and extra work. Change order and extra work is term of amendment in construction contract that change the contractor scopes of work. Okay, after that, they have schedule issue, construction coordination issue, completion procedure, dispute issue, and mobilization and site logistics. So, to let you understand more, I will open the video of the pre-construction meeting. Okay, wait.
This meeting is extremely important for many reasons, and we do them throughout the year on a frequent basis. First of all, it's a very good place for the trades to mingle. In essence, the team is like a family. So team building is a key ingredient in our organization. We have a team of specialized people, trades and suppliers. We have designers, we have engineers, where everyone works as a team, and these meetings are so important for that. The other part is also for them to meet the client, so they have a face to the client. They know who they're building for. They know who the family is. So here we go. Let's go do it.
Okay, there's a bit of video that will increase your understanding we increase your information about the pre-construction meeting. Okay, after the pre-construction conference, we proceed with the contract administration function. So the function is to manage detail and information that present in a general and supplemental condition of contract in the pre-construction meeting. Okay, this role commonly handled by individual or numerous individuals associated with the project team. Repetitive in construction need to be clear and accurate. Also, individuals that charged with the contract admin duties must be dedicated to the chore for the job ongoing smoothly. Also, a little mistake will cause trouble for the entire project. And as you can see on the right of the slide, we have 3 examples of the project failure. So the last one, we can see the column is about to collapse, also the building. So this may occur because of the ducting failure or the pure compression failure. Okay, so for the very last of my part, I want to show you a video so that you can understand more.
It's made up of multiple designers, multiple consultants, and there's just a lot of moving parts. So we bring a lot of expertise in terms of keeping everything moving, keeping everything coordinated between the 2, 3, 4 dozen pieces. Really what we do is problem solving.
The most challenging thing for the construction administration was solving all these problems and the time constraints that are created because of the construction schedule. There's always like 10 things going on at once, and we need to prioritize when they get done. This way we're not holding up the construction schedule.
Sometimes there's better ways to build things, and the best way to find it out is when you get out in the building and you talk to the contractor, and the two of you work it out on site. I mean, our main job on the project is really to maintain the quality of the project. The 3 things you're keeping your eye on: the quality, budget, and the schedule. And if we can keep all those in line, it's a successful project.
It's a really amazing project. Residential.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suhail Azmin Besaat, and I will continue the presentation. Okay. The topic is setting the tone. So the benefits of setting the tone is to visualize on how the project will go. So the tone expressed by the owner is very important at the initial pre-construction. As the example, when we start the meeting, many people will see us in front, so we need to be more confident, so they will know how the result of the meeting will go. Next, show that the meeting is conducted in a spirit of trust, cooperation, and fairness. So the implication of setting the tone is it can employ a team building technique called partnering. I found a quote that said that setting the tone can motivate us. Next, partnering. So what is the partnering? Partnering is one of the techniques used to build cooperation relationship between the owner, the design team, construction team on numerous projects. Okay. The implication of partnering is, first, partnering can improve communication. It also can speed the decision making, fewer change orders, less litigation, and it will give high certification all around. Okay, one of the seven essential elements of partnering defined by AGC for it to be successful is commitment to partnering by the top management of every organization involved in the project. Second, equity in considering all stakeholders' interests to create shared goals and commitment by all the stakeholders. Next, trust among all parties through personal relationship and open communications with mutual sharing and understanding of each party's risks and goals. A partnering charter developed jointly by all parties that identifies specific mutual goals and objectives. Implementation of mutual goals and a mechanism for problem solving. Other than that, continuous evaluation based on the goals to ensure that the plan is proceeding as intended and all stakeholders are carrying their shares of responsibilities. And lastly, timely resolution of all disputes at the lowest level possible during the project. Every project we must know who's on first. Who start the project, who must start the project. So as a construction manager, we need to know which position to be played. We must be prepared on every challenge together as a team. Okay, there is a contract management process, which is stage 1, request. Input contract scope, milestone goals. Output documentation to write contract. Next, stage 2, generate. What we will discuss in stage 2 is contract request documentation, and what we get is contract draft. Stage 3, negotiate. Input contract draft and playbooks. Output agreement document. Stage 4, approval. Input complete contract terms. Output contract ready for signatures. Next, stage 5, execute. Input final contract. Output sign contract. Stage 6, capture. Input sign contract. Output take document in searchable repository. Stage 7, comply. Input searchable contract. Output trackable terms and conditions. Stage 8, report and audit. Input track terms and conditions. Output search results for custom reports. And for the second last, review and amend. Input report updates. Output amendments that reflect change. And lastly, stage 10, renewal. Report contract deadlines and deliverables. Output contract renewals. So that's all from me. Thank you.